heavy machinery in motion today. The steamroller is flattening the earth to create a solid foundation for something truly magnificent.
Whoa! Check out that building! Is that where they keep all the giant robots? I bet there's a secret laboratory inside that garage door.
Not exactly a laboratory, but certainly a hub of hard work. That excavator is heading out to join the tow truck and the dump truck for a big job.
They look like they're on a parade route. Maybe they're going to the city park to help build a giant slide?
They have a much more important mission today. The construction site needs these heavy materials cleared to make room for progress. Watch closely as the excavator uses its powerful arm. It picks up those heavy steel beams with such surprising grace and control.
It's like a giant game of pickup sticks, but with steel. That excavator driver must have nerves of pure iron to move those beams so smoothly.
Precision is key when you are working with such heavy loads. Every beam must be placed perfectly into the truck to keep the site safe and organized. Slow and steady wins the race. They are clearing the site efficiently, ensuring that nothing is left behind once the day is done. And there it is. The truck is completely full. It has been an incredible display of teamwork and engineering today. It's truly amazing what these machines can accomplish when they work together. Look at that beautiful morning sun rising over the horizon to wake up our world.
It looks like a giant bathtub toy floating down the river. Is it carrying spaceships? Not
quite. Those are hard-working construction machines heading toward the city to help us rebuild.
They look so shiny and ready for a big day of heavy lifting.
Watch closely as the crane swings into action, carefully taking down the old structures to make room for something new. Now the bulldozer clears the path, pushing all the rubble aside so the streets can be clean again. The excavator is doing a fantastic job tidying up the final bits, ensuring every corner is perfectly neat and tidy. What a wonderful transformation! We have built a brighter future together today. Goodbye for now. Look at that brave fire truck cruising along the bridge. It is heading out on a very important mission today.
I bet it is going to a giant birthday party to spray confetti everywhere, right?
Not quite, actually. Oh no, the bridge is opening and look out! That is a terrible accident.
Wow, that looked rough. Thankfully, here comes the hero of the day, our trusty tow truck, racing to the rescue.
Precision is key here. The tow truck carefully hooks onto the fire truck? It is a complex job, but the tow truck operator is a true professional. Slow and steady wins the race. They are heading back to the safety of the garage now.
Now the forklift takes over. It is like a giant mechanical dance, gently sliding the truck into its repair bay.
With the fire truck lifted on the hydraulic platform, the real maintenance begins. Skilled mechanics will replace the parts and check every single bolt. It is incredible to see how these machines work together to fit our city's helpers. Soon, it will be back on the road, shiny and ready for duty. What a great recovery! Look at the precision here. Our mechanic is carefully loosening the massive wheel of this giant combine harvester.
Whoa! It looks like a giant robot without its shoes. Is it going to start walking away?
Not quite, silly. This is a combine harvester, a marvel of agricultural engineering designed to gather crops across vast fields. It's essentially a factory on wheels. It takes incredible strength to maintain these titans. Every bolt and gear must be perfectly tuned for the harvest season.
I bet that wheel weighs more than a small car. It's heavy lifting for a heavy-duty machine.
Exactly right. With the wheel off, the team can access the hub and ensure the drivetrain is ready for the long days ahead in the fields. Seeing these machines up close reminds us of the hard work behind our food. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping the world fed. Until next time, keep exploring the mechanics of our world. Look at that, everyone! The construction site is alive today. Our heavy-duty friends are preparing the land for something truly special.
I bet they are building a giant playground for me, or maybe a spaceship landing pad.
Not quite silly. They are clearing the area to build a beautiful, sturdy home. See how the excavator works with such precision?
It's like a mechanical dance. Very smooth, very careful.
Exactly. Now watch the front loader. It moves those heavy rocks with ease, clearing the path so the ground is perfectly flat and ready.
I could watch them work all day. It's like watching a team of giant yellow and orange superheroes working together.
They truly are the heroes of infrastructure. Every scoop of earth and every tree removed is a step closer to creating a safe foundation.
Wait, is that excavator getting faster? It's clearing those last few trees like it's racing against the clock.
Not racing, it's being methodical. Clearing the remaining trees requires patience to ensure the area is perfectly clear of debris.
I suppose you're right. You have to clear the stage before the real magic, the concrete, gets poured.
Precisely! With the ground now clear, the cement mixer rolls into position. It is the final, vital piece of our construction puzzle. Liquid concrete flows, filling the frame to create a solid, lasting foundation. A house is only as strong as the ground it sits upon, and today we have built something built to last. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of creation. Welcome to the farm, where the land waits in quiet anticipation for the season to begin.
Look at that big red tractor. It looks like it's just waiting for a giant race to start.
Actually, it's resting before the heavy work of the harvest. These fields are holding their breath for the water to arrive.
Whoa! The fields are flooding! Is the farm turning into a giant swimming pool?
Not quite. But this irrigation is magical. With enough water, the earth awakens and life bursts forth in vibrant colors.
Look at the size of those pumpkins! They are absolutely massive, like they've been eating their vegetables every single day.
The farm is a symphony of industry now. Between the tractor and the excavator, every corner is being prepped for the bounty. Watching the tractor glide past these towering plants really shows how hard this land works to feed us. And the excavator is the real muscle here, shaping the earth to ensure the water flows exactly where it needs to go. Listen to that gentle rush of water. It's the heartbeat of the farm, nourishing everything in its path as it cascades into the fields. And there goes the prize! That green tractor is hauling home the biggest carrot I've ever seen. What a perfect end to a day of growth and hard work. The sun dips below the horizon, bathing the old red tractor in a warm, golden glow as the day begins to settle.
Look at that! Is that a giant metal grasshopper eating all the wheat? It's huge and it's moving so fast.
Not quite, silly. That is a combine harvester. It works tirelessly to gather the golden grain for our bread. As the light fades into a deep velvet blue, the machine continues its rhythmic dance across the vast field.
It's like a lighthouse in the middle of the ocean of wheat. Does it ever get tired of working in the dark?
It never tires. It is built for endurance, keeping a steady pace while the world around it sleeps. From high above, we can see the glowing path it carves through the shadows, a true testament to human industry. With its brilliant headlights cutting through the night, the harvester remains a beacon of determination, ensuring the harvest is complete before the dawn arrives. Nature and machine working in harmony. What a beautiful sight to end our journey tonight. Good night to the fields and all who work them. Welcome to the dusty plains, where the sun beats down on a town built by iron giants. Look at that red excavator, ready to bite into the solid earth.
It's trying to dig for buried treasure. Maybe it's looking for a giant snack. It's drilling so hard, the ground is literally shaking.
Not quite, my friend. It is actually breaking down the mountain to harvest stone. See how the rocks scatter? That is the start of a massive construction project.
Oh, here comes the cleanup crew. That orange excavator is moving fast, scooping up all those boulders. It's playing a giant game of shovel ball.
It is a very efficient worker indeed. By clearing the debris, it prepares the site for the next step in our industrial puzzle. They are working together. The loader and the excavator are a perfect team, moving those rocks into one big, organized pile. Now the heavy lifter takes over. That yellow claw machine has a grip like a titan, dropping rocks straight into the hungry jaws of the crusher. Everything is being transformed now. The raw stone flows through the presses, emerging as perfectly shaped, solid building blocks. And there goes our final product. Loaded high and ready for the road, that dump truck carries the town's future away. What a magnificent display of engineering harmony! Red excavator. It is working hard to clear the forest floor, loading logs into the dump truck with such precision.
I bet that truck is going to carry all those logs to the moon, or maybe just to the local pancake factory.
Actually, it is heading to the lumber mill. And look here, this blue excavator is using a special circular saw to slice these logs into perfect pieces. Like a hot knife through butter. It is incredibly efficient.
It is like a giant kitchen gadget for the forest. I wish I had a saw that cool for my woodworking projects.
With its cargo bed now full, the orange dump truck begins its journey, rumbling down the path to deliver its haul. Off it goes! That truck has a very important job to do today, keeping the industry moving forward. Oh dear, it looks like there has been an accident. This white truck cab has tipped over, but thankfully, the red tow truck is here to help.
That tow truck is like a superhero arriving just in time. It knows exactly how to hook onto the cab to get it upright again.
Now that it is upright, the yellow loader carefully lifts the cab, moving it gently into the safety of the repair garage. Careful now! It is like a doctor performing surgery on a giant metal patient. Everything must be handled with extreme care. Inside the garage, the mechanics get to work. They remove the bumper and inspect the internal gears to ensure everything is in perfect working order.
It is fascinating to see how all those gears fit together. It is like a giant clockwork puzzle made of steel.
The team checks every bolt and connection. Maintenance is the secret to keeping these heavy machines running for many years to come. With the inspection complete and the repairs finished, the truck is ready to roll again. Look at those gears shine! done, and it is time. Look at that! A busy day on the farm begins. Our bear friend is ready to get to work.
Is he going to take that truck for a joyride across the whole country?
Not quite. He has a much more important mission. He is delivering life-giving water to these thirsty soil plots. That is a clever way to irrigate. By driving while he sprays, he covers so much ground efficiently. Magic is happening beneath the surface. With the sun and the water, those tiny seeds are finally waking up.
I bet he's looking for treasure. Maybe he's digging for gold?
Better than gold, he's found a bountiful harvest. Look at those beautiful, round watermelons.
Wow, those look delicious! I'm starving just watching them.
The hard work pays off as the harvester gathers the fruits of their labor. It is a true testament to patience and care. From a dry patch of earth to a truck full of sweet rewards, nature and effort have worked perfectly together. Look at that sturdy orange truck carrying its heavy load of bricks. Oh no! Watch out for the riverbank!
Splish splash! I bet the truck just wanted to go for a refreshing afternoon swim, right?
Actually, that was quite an accident. Thankfully, here comes the red tow truck to save the day with its powerful winch. He's positioning himself perfectly. Precision is key when you're pulling a heavy vehicle out of the water. Heave ho! Look at that strength. The truck is back on solid ground where it belongs.
Wow, I didn't think he could lift that. That tow truck is basically a superhero on wheels.
The road ahead looks clear, but wait, that bridge looks a bit fragile under the weight of the green truck's massive block. Oh, the tension is palpable! Engineering challenges are always the most dramatic part of the journey. Against all odds, he makes it through. The confetti is falling, and the mission is a complete success. What a wonderful display of resilience and triumph to end our day. everyone! Look at that peaceful cabin in the distance, waiting for a fresh start.
Whoa! Check out those giants! Are those giant metal beetles invading the woods?
Not quite! Those are specialized construction machines. The red excavator is getting ready to clear the site. Look how precisely it moves. It's lifting that heavy wooden cart like it's made of paper. It's like a giant mechanical claw. Is it trying to build a puzzle with those concrete pipes? It's clearing the debris to make space for something beautiful. Every branch moved brings us closer to the goal. And just like that, the area is perfectly clear. The site is ready for the next phase of work. Now the heavy hitters arrive. The road roller and the loader are working together to smooth out the earth. Watch how the loader flattens the ground. It's like using a massive rolling pin to bake a giant cake. Behold the transformation. The cabin now has a stunning wooden deck. It's the perfect place to enjoy the sunset. Thanks for joining us on this construction journey today. Look at that gray Jeep navigating the bustling city streets. It has quite a journey ahead today.
Is it going to the car wash? I bet it needs a good scrub after all that driving.
Not quite, my friend. It is heading into the garage for some serious mechanical upgrades.
Wow, they are really taking it apart! That bumper is coming right off.
That is because the heart of the machine, the engine, needs to be inspected and refined. Every single bolt and gear is being laid out with absolute precision.
It is like watching a puzzle come to life, or maybe a robot transforming into a superhero.
In a way, yes! Inside this chamber, the Jeep undergoes a remarkable transformation of color. Now it is getting a heavy-duty front loader. It is ready for some serious work now. With the engine back in place, our green friend is finally ready to hit the field. A perfect finish! It stands tall alongside the tractors, ready to tackle any challenge. Look at that bright red fire truck rushing through the intersection! It's on an important mission to help someone in need. Meanwhile, the steady concrete mixer truck continues its daily work, rolling along the city streets without a care in the world.
I bet that fire truck is going to a giant birthday party, spray confetti everywhere.
Actually, it's headed to an emergency. But oh no! Look! The concrete mixer has slipped into the canal and is calling for help. Don't worry, here comes the blue tow truck. It's the hero of the city, always ready to lend a helping hook to those in trouble.
He's going to use a giant magnet to lift the truck out. I love magnets.
Not a magnet, but a very strong winch. The tow truck carefully secures the line to the mixer, preparing for the big pull. With a steady pull, the team works together to bring our friend back onto solid ground.
It's working! The concrete truck is sliding out of the water. Teamwork truly makes the dream work!
Safe and sound, the mixer returns to the road. It's a wonderful day in the city when everyone helps each other out. See you next. Look! The garage doors at the Super Construct building are opening. Something big is about to happen today.
Is it a giant robot? I bet it's a robot. Oh wait, it's a yellow loader. Still pretty cool, right?
That loader is clearing the way, pushing aside those trees to make a smooth path. It's the first step in building something amazing. Watch how focused the operator is. Every movement of that heavy machine levels the ground perfectly, removing every bit of debris in its way. The loader is finishing its job. And look, the dump truck is waiting patiently. They make such a great team, don't they?
I bet that truck is filled with snacks. Or maybe just heavy gravel? Yeah, definitely gravel for the new road.
That's exactly right. The truck is now dumping the gravel into the trench, building a sturdy foundation that will last for years. Choreographed dance. One truck after another, filling the space until the ground is solid and ready. The gravel is perfectly leveled now. They've turned that rough dirt into a strong, reliable base for our project. How clean that trench looks. It's all prepared and waiting for the final material to arrive. Construction is such precise work. Here comes the cement mixer. It's rolling out with purpose, ready to add the final layer to our road. Arrived. That spinning drum is full of wet concrete, just waiting to be poured. close! The concrete flows out, covering the gravel. It's like watching a giant puzzle finally coming together. It's moving out so nicely. A steady hand and a heavy machine make all the difference when you're building a new path. The pour is complete and the road is finished. It's incredible to see how much we can accomplish when we work together with the right tools. See you next time for our next big project. High above the bustling city streets, a blue helicopter glides gracefully through the morning sky.
Oh no! Look out below! That massive white tank is falling right out of the clouds, and it's heading straight for the station!
What a terrible sight! The station is completely ruined by that unexpected impact. Don't worry, help is on the way. See that orange excavator? It's working hard to clear all this heavy rubble so the team can get to work.
I bet the truck driver is having a tough time fitting all that giant metal into the back of his red dump truck.
It takes patience and precision to clear a site like this. Every piece of debris must be removed systematically to ensure the ground is safe again. Now, a red tow truck arrives. It's here to rescue the damaged helicopter and take it to a place where it can be fixed up good as new.
Off they go! That tow truck is incredibly efficient, moving through the city with such purpose.
Look! The helicopter is back in the air, soaring peacefully above the city once more. It seems the helicopter is on a mission now, carrying that heavy tank to a much safer location. Perfect landing. The pilot has accomplished the task with great skill and care. The red dump truck returns, but this time it's bringing fresh materials to rebuild the station from the ground up. Everything is restored. As our blue helicopter flies over the brand new station, we can see that teamwork really does make the dream work. Until next time, keep looking up! Look at those powerful machines rolling into the forest clearing. It is like a parade of giants coming to get to work.
Are they gonna build a giant slide, Sarah? I bet they are making a roller coaster for squirrels.
Not quite, silly. These machines are clearing the land to prepare for new construction. They work together like a perfectly synchronized team to clear the brush efficiently. Notice the precision of that red excavator. It uses its massive arm to gently but firmly loosen the soil, carefully extracting the tree without wasting a single movement. That is incredible control. It is steady and methodical. Almost like watching a surgeon at work, just much, much bigger. Now the skid steer loader is moving in to organize the logs. It is tidying up the site so everything stays safe and orderly.
I could watch them load that blue truck all day long. It is like a giant game of Tetris with heavy logs.
It is all about collaboration. The loader clears the debris, and the truck hauls it away, keeping the workspace clear for the next phase of the project. Wait, are those circular saws? That looks like some serious power cutting through that wood. It is intense to see how fast they can cut. The job is almost complete. With the final pieces loaded, the blue truck heads out, leaving a clean site ready for what comes next. It is amazing what a dedicated team of machines can achieve when they work in harmony. See you next time, everyone! Welcome to the farm, everyone! Look at those beautiful, sunny fields. It is a perfect day for our mechanical friends to get to work.
Hey, I see a blue truck and a yellow tractor. Are they racing each other to the barn?
Not quite. They are simply starting their busy day. The blue truck is heading out to move some supplies past the big red barn.
The yellow tractor is busy too. It's navigating through the vegetable rows. I bet it's looking for some giant snacks to haul.
They are parked together now. It looks like they are coordinating their plans for the harvest. Teamwork makes the farm work.
Whoa! Look at that massive pumpkin next to the tractor. That thing is absolutely enormous!
That is quite a prize, isn't it? Nearby, the red tractor stands ready by the windmill, waiting for its turn to help out.
The yellow tractor is surrounded by all these veggies. It's like a giant salad bar out here.
Is a bountiful season. The red tractor makes its way through the cornfields and is ensuring everything is gathered efficiently.
Now the red tractor and the blue truck are joining forces. They must be getting ready for the big lift.
By working together, the yellow and red tractors can lift that heavy giant pumpkin with ease. Precision is key. They've loaded the blue truck perfectly. What a great team! The farm is truly a place where hard work brings such happy rewards. They go! The blue truck drives away, successfully carrying the prize harvest. Thank you for joining us on this farm adventure today, and we hope to see you again soon! The blue dump truck has arrived. Construction is officially underway today.
Is that a giant rolling pin for cookies? I'm so hungry.
Haha, not quite. That is an orange road roller, used to flatten the ground perfectly.
Oh, I see now. And the cement mixer is bringing the sticky building goo.
Exactly. They are setting the metal frame to build a strong foundation. Everything is coming together so quickly. The mixer is getting ready to pour. Watch as the wet concrete fills the pit. It flows just like a thick gray river. Looks so smooth now. The foundation is solid and ready for the next step. Look at that. The concrete is setting fast. Great job, cement mixer. The mixer is backing away now, leaving behind a perfectly flat slab of concrete. Now they are lifting the steel beams high into the air to start the walls. The skeleton of the building is rising! It's a masterpiece of engineering.
Wait! The sky is turning dark. Look at that swirling wind approaching.
The storm is too strong. It's scattering everything we built today. Nature reminds us how small we are, but we will rebuild again soon. Stay safe, everyone. them lining up. Metal Sonic and the others are ready for an epic challenge on the grand stage.
I bet they are about to have a dance-off. I've got my popcorn ready for the show.
Oh dear, I don't think that's a dance. Look at that dark, ominous shadow creeping in to ruin the fun.
Yikes! That shadowy figure is definitely not a friend. It's creating a massive, swirling tornado of pure chaos.
The energy is overwhelming, pulling everyone into the vortex. Hold on tight, because this intensity is truly breathtaking. The storm is finally breaking. Look, they have all made it through safely, and the sky is lighting up with beautiful fireworks. They survived the chaos! What a spectacular finish to such a wild adventure. Until next time, stay curious and... Look at that brave little blue road roller traveling through the vast golden desert. Oh dear, it seems to have found quite a difficult obstacle under those heavy rocks.
Is that a giant desert crab coming to help? No, wait, it's a bright orange loader. It looks like it's here to do some heavy lifting.
You are right. It is an orange loader, and it is coming to the rescue. See how carefully it approaches? It is trying to nudge the rocks away so the road roller can roll free again. Cooperation is the key to solving big problems in the wild. Watch out! Another boulder just tumbled down. That makes the rescue mission much more complicated.
Don't worry, here comes the red tow truck to save the day. With its powerful winch, it can move that heavy boulder in no time. Teamwork makes the dream work.
With the path clear, the vehicles are being loaded onto the transport truck. Everything is being handled with such professional care and efficiency. Back at the shop, the hard work continues. The mechanics lift them up, checking every gear and bolt to make sure they are road ready once more. It is truly satisfying to see them restored to their former glory. What a wonderful adventure! And they are safe and sound now!